Shree, where's my phone?
Huh?
What the heck is this? Where's my phone at? What? Why are your pants all wet?
They're not.
Why is the carpet wet?
What carpet?
That carpet right there, why is it wet?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Why is it wet?
What?
Why did you draw that?
So what?
That penis.
That's what it is?
Where's my phone? 2. Did you wet my phone?
It's not a penis. I didn't draw it.
Why are your pants wet?
What pants? They're made this way.
Where's my phone? Where? Where's my phone? Okay, just clean that up, dude.